There comes a moment when you stop blaming the world, when you stop pointing fingers and start pointing within. Because healing doesn't begin with regret, it begins with responsibility and grace. I've walked through shadows I made on my own, chasing comfort in places I should have left alone. I've stumbled through doors that led to pain, but even my mistakes weren't made in vain. I see now I was never my failure, just a traveler learning my way home. I'm returning to innocence, not who I was, but who I've always been. No guilt to hide, no tears to defend, just truth and peace within. I forgive myself for what went wrong. I release the weight I've carried too long. My soul whispers again, return to innocence. I used to think healing meant going back, but it's really about moving forward. Wiser, softer and free. The people who hurt me taught me boundaries. The roads I chose taught me faith. And the silence taught me how to hear my own heart. No bitterness remains, no more war inside my veins. I stand here in the light I once feared, and I'm not broken, I'm reappeared. I'm returning to innocence, to the part of me untouched by pain. The child within me breathes again, believing, dreaming, unashamed. I face the truth, I've made amends. Now I live, not just pretend. I've taken charge, I own my story, and I rebuild my life again. I'm home now, in peace with me, returning to innocence.